Instead of fighting like we the Smiths, maybe we just need another spliff. We just need to slow down, fuck another round. Cause it's like we both just been on set. Talking about nothing, you ain't got shit to say. Gotta just relax, been a long day. She said she agreed. She smiled and looked at me. She said, roll again.
And get the job done to pussy cloth.
Tap it with the music. I'm gonna tap it with the music if you nice. It's a movie. But in the meantime, I will be one of the greatest. Be nice, Cap. No, I'm trying to be nice, but they be going crazy. They be going crazy, y'all. I will be one of the greatest.
I got gray hair in my nose. That's different.
What?
I got gray hair.
Yo, nigga rated back. All right, bro. Nigga said, yo, it's a gray hair. Nah, it's
Damn, I wasn't even talking to y'all. Y'all
what's TMI?
too much information.
No, I'm saying, I know what it means. I'm saying, what was she saying is TMI?
Talking about my nose.
Yeah, I forgot about that. I'm not gonna lie to you.
You made me read about the same. I'm sorry.
You talking to us if you talking out loud. That's what he said.
Y'all niggas want to listen now.
My
Y'all niggas
fault.
want to be nosy.
Don't worry, we out to the gym. I'm gonna get you right. Yeah, work me out, my love. Get me right. I love it. I'm gonna be in there like squats, my love. Come. I'm gonna get right with the ones and twos, you heard? With the dumbbells and all that. You gonna be like, damn, how you lifting me up like this? I got you. We gonna work out together and get right together. Hello. My fault, young ass. Sexy ass. Please don't play with she. Hey, you should be getting dumb fat recently. I've been seeing what's going on. I don't know what type of diet you want, if you've been going to Freckles and getting them wheatgrass shots or what's going on, but your shit, I'm here for everything that's going on, my love. Listen, y'all might as well use the hash from now. This man Ben supposed to hit the gym. Miss. We talking in hypotheticals and you talking in hyperboles and all that. You're confusing me right now, miss. We here now with it, right? We here with it now, right? Alright. Right, so that's all that matters. The gym squats. Yeah, of course. Gym squats. You're right. Just me and you. Hold on. Next rep. Next rep, my love. Next rep. I got a video shoot coming up with a baddie in the industry, I must say. I'll be right for the video. She gonna be like, Uncle Pella. I'm gonna be like, yo, chill. Yo, chill. Yo, chill, miss. It was just me. I'm walking to the video shoot. I'm gonna hug her. I'm gonna be like, this how I'm gonna hug her like this. That's how Creed smell like Mad Creed and great smells. What? Wild gum, toothpaste, caressed. Yup. I'm playing with her. Yeah, good caressed, the gel vibe with the little, you know what I'm saying, with the little strips. Yeah, what you know about the little Listerine strips in the toothpaste floating around the vibe, little paper. Come on, the little, you know what I'm talking about? Little sheets of the vibe? Please, hugging the fuck out of her. Come here. She be like, Capella. I'll be like, yo, chill. Yo, miss. I'm just a regular dude from Uptown, you heard? You know what I'm saying? It's nothing spectacular, nothing peculiar. You heard? However, comment, if you are intrigued, you heard? There's some vibes we can partake in, my love. I say this to these industry shorties so they know that, you know what I'm saying? The vernacular's up there. Stop playing with them. Spine cracking, hell yeah, and she's taking flight too. She's taking flight. I'm gonna act like I'm mad happy to see her. I'm gonna be like, oh, chill, even though it's our video shoot, I'm gonna act like I didn't even know she was gonna be there. Like, oh, word. Oh, they got the All-Stars outside. What's good, my love? Wait, hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me look at you. Miss, this is what you look like in person? Oh, miss, I'm speechless. I had no clue. Oh, chill. Nah, my fault. Let me greet you properly, miss. Bingo, bam. What? Catch this good warm embrace, my love. Little Ray. Oh, the world waking up. I gotta put my shit on Do Not Disturb. The kid guess, yeah. I don't know what you talking about. I'll be like, yo, yo, miss. I'll have to do the turn. As soon as I see him, I'll be like, she gonna be like, what? What? Why you looking at me like that? Nah, it's nothing crazy, miss. It's, oh, shit, she be like compelling yourself. Once she hit me one of these, graze the vibe like this. Oh. Mama, my fault. Let me greet you properly, miss. My fault. I'm being mad rude. Oh. It's over. Miss, how are you? Now let's get this. Oh, damn, my fault. Hold on. Now we gotta keep it business, miss. Keep what business? You're so stupid. No, I'm just saying we gotta Now let's shoot this video. Let's make some history. We got some history to make. I love how you talk. I love you. You just talk your big feature, miss. All these compliments. It's about you today, miss. What? It's over. Oh, it's over. What? Like, oh, stupid. Oh, no, I get stupid, miss. My fault, miss. We just chilling right now. My fault, you heard. Oh, you like to laugh? That's fire. Nah, it's all. Nah, I'm here for it. Oh, chill. Miss, stop touching my shoulder like that. All right. You keep playing. I'm not one of these industry niggas, miss. All right. Now you do your thing, miss. Oh. Hell yeah. That's why I gotta make sure. Yo, Luby, I got you 2 seconds. Look, I'm at the gym. I'm gonna drink mad water. What, nigga, wild water. I'm gonna do 2 gallons today. Just make sure I'm right for that video shoot. You know what I'm saying? Whatever he don't get his, I don't know what you talking about. It's all about the vision. Come on. Dead ass. It's lit, you heard? It's over. It's a movie. I got you. I'm about to do wild push-ups, pull-ups, jumping jacks. What niggas know about cardio? You heard? What other shit they mean? Calisthenics? You know what I'm talking about? The statics. You heard? When you... What you talking about, nigga? Come on. And I'm about to purchase the perfect push-up. What niggas know about the perfect push-up? I'm gonna be right in the studio like this. Yo, pull it up to the video shoot. Wow, bro. Like, you want to G with the big boys? You want to bam bam? You want the fucking bam bam? Yeah, stop playing with him. Yeah. Man, stop playing with me, man. You want the G with the big boys? Yo. Alright. Play if you fucking wish. Y'all stay right there. It's gonna be me and Blank sitting in the tree. Y'all gonna be like, oh shit. Damn, Capella. How you scoop her? I'm gonna be like, I don't know how I did it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know how even we gonna be I planned out our whole life already. You know how it goes when you like somebody, you start playing. I already planned out our whole life. We gonna be sitting in one of them little interview rooms like Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Feel me? Like Mrs. and we gonna talk in a little interview. I'm like, yo, I don't know how I scored her. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy. Like, every day, just being next to her, it humbles me. It humbles me. You heard? Every day when I think about, you know what I'm saying? Even waking up to her, to she. You know what I'm saying? To thee. Can I talk to you? Can I talk to her? In the midst of all this, you heard? Because it's... I'm just grateful to be here. You heard? I can't wait. I'll be doing all that fly shit. She gonna be blushing all crazy. I'm here for it. Watch. When I see her, matter of fact, I'm gonna be like, oh. And matter of fact, instead of walking away, I'm gonna take her hand. I'm gonna be like, wait, hold on, let me see you. You see you? Spin the vibe. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oh, chill. I'm spinning her. Facts. Once she hit that twirl, by the time she come back around, she's mine. It's a fact. It's a fact. Imagine if she watching this live. I hope you are. No, I mean, it wouldn't matter to me. You know what I'm saying? We don't really sweat too many people like that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody up working.
Can I get one more wine before I go? I don't even want to know your name.
I'm about to bounce this. I'm finally almost done with this shit.
It's lit.
Yes, sir. Stop playing with me. Strong ass. Oh, no, that's a fact. That's a fact. I gotta be careful when I spin her. I'm gonna have all types of different seps I'm collecting this week and the next week. Next 2 weeks, I'm gonna be just collecting seps, biceps, triceps, you know what I'm saying? Torials as well, pectorials, you know what I'm saying? Abdominals, you heard? Type shit. Like the snowman. Alright. But yeah, word. You feel what I'm saying? It's about to get real beautiful in here. Buckle up. You understand what I'm saying? Buckle the fuck up. Because I'm about to get real, I don't know. I'm going to try not to hold it too tightly. You know what I'm saying? Due to, word. I'm going to try to just, word. Ghost your trainer. No, Ghost can never be my trainer. Because Ghost work out too much. He be doing too much. Ghost be dragging it. He wake up be like, oh shit, I gotta do another fucking set. Who told you, like, why do you have to do why? And he waking up stressed, so he be like, fuck, what time is it? Oh, I gotta do a set real quick. I gotta do a quick 200. Now give me a second. Alright, I be like, alright. Like, yo, give me a second, I'm about to... What, nigga? Who said you? What do you? Nah, nigga, wake up like that. Nah, fuck, I gotta do push-ups, bro. I mean, calisthenics, bro. Health is wealth. Shut the fuck up, nigga. What are you talking about? Nah, man, you gotta make sure, you know what I'm saying, your body's in order type of shit, nigga. I niggas don't be giving a fuck about your bodies, my nigga, and put whatever. Look, still waking up, like a dickhead, still waking up. Nah, my nigga, it's not taking care of your bodies type of shit, you know what I'm saying? There's more life to live. I'm trying to be 125, still fucking bitches type of shit, my nigga. Y'all niggas gonna be, you know what I'm saying, old and crusty. Let me get these push-ups in my fault. Watch out real quick. In my space, you move, nigga. Go do that shit somewhere else, nigga. He'll really move. He'll stand up. He'll come to where you at. And be like, oh, my phone, yo, watch out real quick. What, nigga? Fuck you talking about? Yo, nigga, ghost. Yo, my fault. Niggas is... I don't want to be that. I want to listen. Ghost gonna be too, bro. Like, by the time the summer hit, Ghost about to be fucking 500 pounds of straight muscle. And you know what? I'm gonna just slap the back of his head. Just, I'm out of there. I'm not playing games with certain niggas. Like, what, nigga? I'm out of there. Once you get past a certain level of bro, like, all right, see, I'm out of there. Out. He'd be like, oh, shit. What's those? Oh, there's a park? You can see wild grape. This a park? Oh, they got monkey balls here? I bet you they got monkey balls here. Fuck the guy. I said, which workout spread the hips? Come find out, miss. Come find out. Stretch your vibes right out. 'Cause I see some of y'all got a lot of ass and no hips. No problem. Come to me. I want to love you. You're right. Coming to see me, Duffy featuring Cap. If he not mouthing the words, I don't want it. Where's Ghost at? That's a fact. Ghost be right in the crowd like.
Word. Facts. Do it silent.
And he do the kick on the she gotta go.
Facts.
And this shorty be going crazy, even with mouthing words on stage. Best spot for the lighter is genius. He said nobody's taking nothing. Yep.
Of course.
What are you talking about?
Want to blood clot teeth. Fuck.
Come find out, my love. Come work the vibes out.
Big up, teasing like a stripper panty, a van glitter pussy fat.
Pussy fat.
Want your body on me, girl, you feel so good. And I just wanna work. I know you want me to work on it, get to work on it. Now whatever we do, let it stay between me and you. Yeah, cock up your body, yeah. Just let me work on you. She know I'm not bluffing. She know who forgot what she want, good loving. Body round like a pumpkin. She have it so she don't ask for nothing. Lace front, makeup, everything I fit. Teeth them pretty, she know everything OD. Girl, you vibing. Oh, my fault, you got it. I just want your body on me, girl, you said so good. I just wanna work. I know you want me to work on it, get to work on it. Now whatever we do, let it stay between me and you. Yeah, cock up your body. Just let me work on you.
We got hits. Just let me work on you. She knows I'm not bluffing. She know who forgot what she want, good loving. Body round like a pumpkin. She have it so she don't ask for nothing. No. Teeth them pretty. She know everything I need. She poppin'. Oh, my fault, you got it. Sometimes you just gotta, oh, my fault, miss. Oh, chill. Oh, body crazy. You look like you getting money. Face nice. Teeth nice. You smell good. Nah, man. Leave me alone. Nah, man. Cause you're dangerous. Left me alone. Hello, miss. Miss. Left me alone. Luciphoria, Lusandra. I'm not stupid, miss. I know what's going on. Why is shit said? Alright, so why is shit said like this? Why is shit said like this? Ask me. You want to ask me questions about what's your number? You want to ask me questions? You can't answer my question. Why is shit said like this? Miss left me alone. You look good. No, man. No. The answer is no. You scared? Yes, I'm terrified. Oh. You heard? Nah, man. All right. She don't know what's up, but she wanna.
My fault. Don't know what's up, but she wanna. My fault, yeah.
Look at me getting all nice for you. Look, my skin must be clear for them selfies and shit like that. When you sneak the selfies, you gonna be like this. I'm gonna be like.
I am. I'm serious.
I got you, miss. Don't even worry about it. When we're off guard, don't worry about it.
I'm just putting it in here.
When we ready for the filming, I'm gonna have my skin nice and glowy and shit like that. So you don't gotta take a picture of just the plate. You can take a picture of the plate and the guy. I'm here with it, miss. It's all good. I'm not gonna make your picture look crazy. Just Capella, but on my waist, not my ass. Word, why not your ass, miss?
Why not?
Nah, I'm not mad at waist. It's just that's where niggas supposed to grab. That's what I'm supposed to grab the vibe, miss. I'm supposed to grab at the waist and then watch the vibe. Watch the name just become cursive. Plop, plop, plow, plow. You understand what I'm saying? No, that's all good. Waist is still valid. Kinda.
Yeah, you think they got monkey balls here? I might get some reps in. Nigga, y'all niggas buggy. Y'all niggas trying to be pretty and shit. What, nigga? It's hot outside. Nigga, I'm wearing a fire-ass fit. You wearing a fire-ass fit. Why niggas go to the monkey balls right now? Nigga, you don't gotta go to the gym, nigga. The world is your gym. The world is your gym. You just gotta know how to work the world for you. The world work for you. You know that. You know that. Nigga, free your mind and the rest will follow. Y'all niggas is little-minded, miniature-minded, nigga. Y'all niggas is miniature-minded. Nigga, get your mind right. Get your body right. What I said? Free your what and your what? Free your mind and the rest will follow. Alright, nigga. You gonna be scrawny. Alright, nigga. Not much when I hug your bitch.
Alright, Ghost.
Alright. And niggas is laughing. Watch when I hug your bitch. You never had no bitch no more.
Going crazy.
one more wine before I
Looking for a lighter? Yo, bro, just look up. Ah, see it there? You're not going in your pocket. They just back feet up.
Back feature.
I will be one of the greatest.
You know what killed me today? Nigga said your phone. You need a phone leash.
Yeah, man.
Phone leash is not. Now you do
Bro,
though.
he do it.
You do
Yo,
though.
bro, he
You
do
do.
it.
Yo, every time we go past TSA,
Nigga everywhere, bro.
yo, bro, we'll be chilling, drinking a Mar. Here goes E.
And he said,
so true.
Fuck. Then we don't even see him like run to like the bathroom or something. Then nigga gotta run all the way back to TSA.
like, oh shit. Yo, I left it here. I left that register.
Well, that's coming up to me with the hi, the social media for hot niggas. It's madness. So I don't know which one of them.
You gotta be.
Yeah, because Little Jamaican Uncle Dance is you, but the people need more. What? Now just for that, my next 5 performances is gonna be straight that again. What you talking about? Pelabop is forever gold. It's over. Fuck. What do y'all be requiring from Blueface? All right. What do y'all be requiring from fucking 50 Cent? That same go. It's the same move. And now all of a sudden I say I want to do the bad one. Now it's your dance is not cutting it. Oh, you're bright. You're bright. Fuck. What dance moves y'all be needing from A Boogie? All right. Y'all gonna be in A Boogie comments talking about, you need to dance more. Your little step is cool, but we need more, Boogie. No, it's just me. All right, you're bright. Oh, disgusting. Y'all are disgusting. You are. Now all of a sudden my Pelabop not valid. Are you crazy? Loving mom so much. Like, what is the reason? I don't care what move I learn on that. It's just Pelabop. I'm on the mic. I don't care if I'm 60 years old. Give me a bop, no bridging. Give me a friggin' bop. It's just a bop. I'm not. This guy, whenever. Hello. The fuck? I tell no. I wanna add a little bit of bad one, and little ones and twos to the vibe. Hear them? Yeah, please, please, because fuck out of here. So, do you hear them? Pack them the fuck up. I don't know. Pull up, yup, same way. Soon as I hit, this is the vibe. I'm not gone. Cheaper legend. You already know what I'm gonna do. Get on the mic. Pull up again. Nah, man. No, I'm here. It's me in the flesh. Not for real. I'll be a bird at these places now. I don't give a fuck. Y'all letting me get too comfortable on the mic. I'll be like, yeah, yo, it's really me. Facts. I'm Evis. Yeah, man. Yo, pull up again. I see. Yeah. Oh, you know it like that, miss. This your shit. It's my shit too, miss. It's lit. Matter of fact, cut the music. Let them sing it. Hello. Nah, man, them notice. Yeah, yep. Same way. You them about dance. Start small, do the bodies. Okay. Bing, bang, boom. Yeah, man. I got you. Spin move to the tippy toe. Hit that shit. Yeah, man. On stage. She trying up. I'm doing the Chip Skylark tippy toe vibe right across stage. She trying up. Say like she asleep. Son, I'm gonna drag it. The jokes can't be made. I hate it here. Fuck out of here, Queens. Ew, who's this? Who is this? Yo, y'all see her new, her new bob lately? Oh. What? Yo. She let me sick of my shit now. Oh, ew. Fuck out of here. Style player. Now I love it. I'm here for it. Yeah, my boy. Yo, Queen is not playing with us no more. You heard? Oh, chill. Yo, stop playing with her. Oh, now you came for it. No, I didn't. I didn't really come for Nah, I did. I'm not gonna lie. I probably did. Oh, yuck. You gotta say, yuck. I'll probably for you. I'm sorry. I am sorry, Queen. I'm going right now. I'll be one of the greatest. Let us say that. Yo, bro, I just applied mad Vaseline in my shit. Hold on. Let them saying my lip just weird. Sometimes it just look like. Not it made him actually. I don't know what the fuck going on. My shit broke, y'all. I don't know what to do. I'm trying to apply the vibe. But yo, I don't know what to do, y'all. My shit not buzz. I don't need a buzz. The Vaseline expired. Miss it just by. Oh my, what's going on?
You ready?
Yo, Ghost. No, we gotta go inside this brunch. What's going on here?
Alright, yo.
Nah, man. Who the heck? Hold on. Let me apply some more Vaseline. What's this, aloe? Why this shit drying my shit out, bro? Yo, Z, let me use this shit instead, bro. I think it's this aloe situation that's in there, bro. What in the world, bro? You tried this?
Yes.
I don't know, bro.
No variety drink.
You fuck with it?
No, but.
Yo, bro, I feel like I've been. Oh, chill. We might have to step into this vibe, you heard?
Oh, no, mercy.
Yeah, wait, try to apply this and tell me if I'm fucking bugging, bro.
No, it's the same shit.
Because I don't understand how this shit reverse in my shit.
Yeah.
Why this shit working in reverse? Like this shit got fucking Benjamin fucking Button. I don't understand this fucking Vaseline.
Making it like how
yeah, but I don't understand this right now. You want to try to apply this vibe right here?
Nah,
now look, now I'm using all fingers and shit. Now I'm doing all this shit right here.
Grab the one right there in the door.
You see what I'm talking about though?
Yeah.
What the fuck going on? I don't know.
Oh, light hydrating jelly aloe fruit.
Light hydrating. What the fuck? Oh hell yeah! Here you go. Come on. Cocoa butter, if anything, you can do that. But no.
What's up, mama?
I'm serious.